Hello and welcome back to another video. So as you can see from the title, this is a tutorial on how to get modded sounds into your game. Now the developers don't really like modding, as it could corrupt your game. I'll show you how to fix that if you actually do end up corrupting your game somehow, although it's pretty hard to do. But I have 3 buzzers here. This is a little mod I've done, just to sort of create a little gunshot sound. Sounds like that. It's basically 3 audio files from the game that are combined together to make this sound. So when you're modding sounds, you can't actually import any specific sounds. You can't import like maybe like a audio file of a cat meowing or something. You can't really do that. You can only use audio that's already in the game. I'll go over why that's why that happens later in the video. But to get started, just get into your workbench. So to start off, just get your buzzer. Go ahead and place that down. And just for easy looking or finding out the buzzer in the XML file, just remove this block here. So I've saved it to a specific name. So now we can leave this here, don't touch it, just keep it saved, and we can exit out of the game. Alright, so now what you guys want to do is you want to go to your Stormworks, you want to right click, go to Browse Local Files. That'll bring you up to this page here. You're going to click on ROM. I'm getting a little sticky keys or something like that, I don't know what that is. Now you see this little FX file here? These are your actual, why is that? These are your audio files here. So inside each of these packs is the audio you can find. You can also find it in MISC, music, and elevator and footsteps. We're just going to grab a random audio file from, let's say, FX2. So this audio pack has a lot of engine sounds. Some explosions, which you just saw in the demo. Engine starts, doors opening, things like that. I don't see anything good here, so I'm going to go to probably FX. Never mind, nothing good in there either. Now if you just double click on the audio file, let this load first. And if you go to it, it's just a simple clicking sound. Now there are a lot of audio files in here. Some of them aren't actually in the actual game. Some of them are lost features and such. For example, if I go to MISC, I forget which audio file it is. Here it is. You have horror sounds and horror ambience. I've never actually heard these in the game. It sounds like that. Somewhat creepy. But you know what, let's just go big. We're gonna do the horror sound. We'll use that one. Just because the name's pretty simple. So what you want to do is you want to copy down this name here. You can either write that down in a text document, or you can find a way to, or you can just rename it or whatever. Now that's copied. Now you close this out. Close everything else out. You're gonna go to your %app data. If you're on Windows, I'm not sure how you do it on any other platform, but just get to your Stormworks folder. Not the one in Steam, but the one actually on your computer. Go to your data, vehicles. Now search up the file that you have saved earlier. Edit with Notepad++, which is what I have. You're going to scroll to the right until you find the audio file. So right here it says audio fx3/stormworks warning alarm o or .ogg. Alright, so basically you'll delete everything from the Stormworks to the period here. Change the fx to whatever your file was, which I think it was 4. And then paste in your audio file there. So what this means is that when you load up your vehicle, the XML file is going to tell the game to place the block there, but it's also going to be telling it to grab this sound file from the game's audio to start playing on the actual buzzer. So now that's done, you're going to save it, close that out, and go into your game. So now we're back in the workbench. We have the buzzer here. It should be playing that song or sound file. Place down button and a battery. And you'll place it down. So now we have it on the floor, and let's see if it works. Yep. So I think it is possible to actually have imported sounds. It's just that if you have an imported sound, the person downloading it from the workshop also has to have that file in their sound folder. I haven't tested this, but if you are going to do anything like that, make sure to have that sound file and a tutorial on how to actually put it in the sound file. But, that's really it for the buzzer. It's working now. It should be able to transfer to the workshop. If not, then this tutorial was for nothing. If you have any problems, just leave them in the comments. And I do have a Discord set up if you guys want to join that. You guys can just talk, hang out. And if you have any other questions about this, you can ask me there. So that's really it. I'll see you guys in the next video.